Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight here in Kingsbury in northwest London, in the London Borough of Brent. So without further ado, let's take off. So I've just done a drone flight in Harrow and I've come here to Kingsbury to do a little drone flight. So hopefully get a nice shot. It's a nice sunny day. I don't know what the drone's whirring a bit, it's just a gust. So we're just gonna go up to the max height, then we're gonna zip around Kingsbury. Look at those little benches, it's like made of stone. Really interesting. Let's go to 360 photo and we're gonna do a 360. Alright, 360 degree photo is now complete. We're now just going to zip around. So let's go down towards here. So let's just explore the neighbourhood of Kingsbury. Just see what's down here. It's a neighbourhood area. It's a bit windy. I don't know how long the wind's gonna last. Looks really green with this grass. Let's go down towards here. Get a nice shot. Get a shot of this red car going down there. What's down there? There's hills in the area, but let's just follow the road right now. Oh, he's going that way. I might as well go that way anyway. I should explore it. Look at that, nice shot, innit? I like the way the red contrasts with the weather. It's amazing. Where else can we go? We're literally circling around the whole recreation ground. Nice little green area. Just keep going down there. I like the way the green contrasts with the urban area. It's not really urban. It's at the outskirts of London. Look at that shot. That is amazing. It's like we're in the countryside now. You can hear the ambulance, and that is the ambulance. Amazing, isn't it, that shot? Look at that. We're going towards the Wembley Park's on that side, on the right. Look at that, very green countryside. I like this shot. You know what we'll do? We'll turn back now. Let's see what's down there. Look at that long stretch of road leading down to Kingsbury. That is insane, look at that shot. So now you can see how he come from literally rural area to literally an urban area. Just gonna keep going down. So that's the main roundabout of Kingsbury. Look at that. Getting all but shot of this roundabout. We'll just stay here. Just get a static shot for a little while. Then what we'll do, we're gonna go around. We're gonna orbit. The orange car really strikes out in the image. We're actually going to follow that, actually. Exiting here, so we're going to get shot. Go towards it. It's actually coming towards my area. Look at that. It's getting a nice high up shot. We've been down here before. What we'll do, we'll get a low down shot of the area. So that's the long stretch of road that we saw. That was a different one, but it's literally right next to us. There's even a match going on right here. What area is this? A lot of buses there. Drone's quite loud, it's kind of fighting the wind. Kind of wish it wasn't windy. That's the weather we expect in early March. It's just a gust. When I flew in Harrow, we weren't getting gusty winds. It was a bit gusty actually, it wasn't that bad, but what we'll do, we'll come back now. Look at that shot of the neighbourhood, you can see the neighbourhood. Let's get a shot of the neighbourhood, look at that. Get a shot of the hood. Look at that. We're literally edging it. That is amazing. Look at that. Nice shot, nice neighbourhood shot. You can see that white car pull through. Amazing shot. What we'll do now, we'll come back. Get a nice shot. We'll come back towards this area down here. go towards the roundabout area that we were flying before. Look at that 6 shot. Let's go in sports mode. Look how fast we're going. That is amazing. Look at that. What we'll go up and we'll get a nice overhead shot of the roundabout. We'll go down a little bit. We'll go up. Nice little ascending shot. What we'll do, go to one of the branches down here. Run towards this area. Actually no, that's where we just went. We want to go down here. And the station's around there as well. Station's right there. Look at that, that's a 6 shot. Look at that. Kingsbury fruit and veg, which is what it says on my screen. Look at how nice and green this area. Nearby there's a place called Kingsbury. Maybe I can fly there after, but my other battery, both batteries are knackered now, but I'm charging it with a power bank right now. But it might be charging a bit slow. So let's come back now. Drone's running a bit low. As we come back, let's get a nice shot, sideways shot of the area. I wish I can go down one of these places, but we're going to run out of battery soon. So, plus there's not much down there, so let's quickly get a nice shot. Last shot of the roundabout, quickly. As we come back, and then we'll just get a static shot, then we'll actually come back. Look at that, that's amazing. I'll bring the controller away from the microphone. Alright, so that was my drone flight here in Kingsbury in the London Borough of Brent. I hope you enjoyed this little drone flight of mine, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.